little stiff, aren't you?
A little bit.
A little tight. And for your first low back adjustment, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Yes. Turn over. Up here. Good. Deep breath in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. There we go. Lay on your back. Perfect. So you're going to feel a little bit of pressure here. Good. Right there. And another one here. Good. Get your mind off of it. There we go. Good. One more here. Wiggle the fingers for this one. Ah, that's it.